Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison. If you're new, I do vlogs, lifestyle, and health and wellness here on this channel. I would love for you guys to check out my other videos and support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. I feel like it's been a minute since I've actually sat down and vlogged personally. Oh, hello. Hello, Kirby. You wanna wave? Hey. Michael vlogged last week for me and that was fun. That was a really fun video. My family loved that video, so if you didn't see it, I will link it somewhere. I have so much to do in so little time. I leave for vacation tomorrow, so I have all this stuff to do. I have to pack, I have to do laundry. I don't like leaving my room this crazy of a mess. I'm sorry, there's a fly. So this video is a pack with me for the beach. I'm not gonna get all of my packing done tonight because obviously there's some things I can't pack until tomorrow, but I'm getting my nails done and that wasn't the best plan to do. But this was the only day she had available. She was available to like the 14th of September and she had an opening and I was like, oh, this is the day before I leave, but I need them done. And I want to go to her. I don't really like going anywhere else. I actually need to get ready and go to the chiropractor and go get my nails done, which I hate that I have this scheduled, but I need them done. Kirby doesn't like when I leave, do you? No. So I'm going to show you guys the snacks that I'm packing for my trip. They're all gluten-free and dairy-free because if you guys have been following along, I can't have any of that stuff. And there's also other ingredients I can't have. Obviously, I got some like jerky sticks. Those aren't vegan, but most of the stuff is vegan. I am actually eating this so delicious, it does not lie. It's dairy-free salted caramel cluster cashew milk. There's like little chocolate bites in it and it has like caramel swirled throughout. It's nice to actually enjoy ice cream again. This is not the healthiest, okay? None of these are healthy. This container has 790 calories if you eat the whole thing in one setting, which could be easy to do. But if you want to treat yourself and you can't have dairy, you want some ice cream, that's the way to go. I'm sorry if you hear a squeaking noise. That's my dog playing with his chicken. You guys did see the cashew little cookies and my boyfriend vlogs my day. We actually went to the store. There's a little grocery haul, so there is some snacks in there to check out. Like there's another little ice cream dessert that I like that is made of cashews. And yeah, I love those little cookies. I ate them all. So the first thing that I've actually already opened, I'm just gonna bring with me, is this, I think it's Nature Valley, non-GMO sea salt popcorn. 35 calories per cup and it's gluten-free. And it's actually really good. It's not that bad. So for on the way down, I got Kroger's honey roasted peanuts salted with sea salt. Super good. And I know peanuts aren't the most healthiest. They say to do cashews or something like that, but a lot of them had safflox oil in it and I can't have that. I have not tried these ones yet. It's the skinny dipped almonds and I love the raspberry version of this. It has like this raspberry powder on top of chocolate. So good. These are expensive. They're like $5. These ones are vegan friendly. I'm assuming because it's super dark chocolate plus sea salt, which I feel like would be pretty good. I love sea salt and I love chocolate. They're gluten-free, 4 grams of sugar, and no artificial colors or flavors. So I'm pretty pumped about that. These I've been looking at and I'm like, this is wholesome, mindfully delicious. So there's no high fructose corn syrup, no synthetic colors, naturally flavored, and it's vegan and gluten-free, non-GMO, and it's organic. And there's still a good bit of sugar in here, but it seems to be everything that I can have. But these are Unreal peanut butter cups. and I'm sure you guys maybe have seen these in the organic aisle. These are vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, these type of snacks for myself because I'm trying to wean myself off, but it's like I don't want to do this drastic change with myself where I completely like give up because people are enjoying things on vacation and I can't, or a cookout, and like the other day I couldn't have any sides at our cookout and it just kind of sucked. Okay, like I can't have mac and cheese. My mom's mac and cheese is so good and I couldn't have it, so it's a bummer, you know. So I'm trying to just find healthier alternatives. I know I got a lot of chocolate, but I'm a huge chocolate lover, okay? I love my chocolate. I have a big sweet tooth, so I just bought vegan chocolate chips. So yeah, I thought I could just snack on them. If, you know, I was trying to find some pancake mix that wouldn't have egg and all that stuff in it, but I couldn't. So yeah, we're gonna snack on those, and it's nice to have because if I ever do, when I find some stuff when I get back, I can add those to it. So this is not vegan, but it is gluten-free. It's just Jack Link's jerky. I really like jerky. I just hate how expensive it is. It's $5 for this little bag. I found some cereal, which I'm not a cereal person. Peanut butter and chocolate, so it kind of looks like Reese's Puffs with this cute little lemur on it, but it's organic, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, and it's gluten-free. So it says vegan on the side here. So I'm excited about that. I can have breakfast if like my mom's making eggs and I can't have them. I'm sure you guys have heard of this before, but it's Boom Chicka Pop. It's like a healthier popcorn. This is lightly sweet kettle corn. I love kettle corn. I miss warm popcorn. This is whole grain, non-GMO, gluten-free, and it's 35 calories per popped. And there's 4 bags.
Who are you talking to?
I'm recording.
Oh.
My snacks. So these I was a little skeptical about. They're Vermont smoked and cured beef sticks. There's 7 grams of protein and 1 gram of sugar, but it's gluten-free, and this is barbecue seasoned. I think I said that, but they're pretty good. They're like big fat Slim Jims, cheese puffs looking things, but they're peanut butter. 5 grams of protein, non-GMO, and it's gluten-free. So sorry if that was kind of long. You know, I know some of you guys suffer with some of the same issues that I'm suffering with, like gluten and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys just some alternatives if you're really struggling getting off gluten and you're not ready to give up sugar and all that stuff, because I'm not ready to give up sugar yet. I have a big sweet tooth, so I'm not ready for it. So all of this has been so much work, finding things and searching. I feel like it's a scavenger hunt. We were in Kroger's yesterday for like, I swear, it seemed like 2 hours just looking at things, trying to search for things. So with that being said, I'm pretty positive I'm going to sign up for Thrive Market. If you guys don't know what that is, a lot of YouTubers talk about it, but it's basically like grocery shopping online, and you can grocery shop by category, vegan, gluten, keto, all that stuff. So I have already like looked up things like gluten-free cake and stuff like that, because my birthday's coming up, and you know, vegan cake, and they have those type of things there. So I just feel like it'll save me a lot of time and money, because they say it's supposed to be cheaper than some places. So I just feel like it would just save me a lot of effort. But this is not sponsored or anything. I'm just putting it out there. I feel like it'll be better. I really need to start packing, getting things ready for tomorrow, because I have not started at all. And usually I overpack. Like, I used to bring like 5 outfits, 5 different shoes. Ridiculous. My parents used to flip out on me every vacation. The last couple I've been cool. Like, I just don't really care as much anymore, like I said, but I used to overpack like crazy, especially when I was younger, because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna meet some friends and maybe a cute boy. Like, never happened anyways, but you know what I mean? Like, I just always felt like I had to look really nice. And also back then I used to really love dressing up, like that was my thing, and now I love wearing comfy clothes. A few restaurants that we go to that are nicer, so we have to, you know, look a little formal, but yeah, I'm gonna try to just like be super minimal as possible. So I need 4 like nicer outfits, and when I say nicer, I mean like maybe jean shorts or like a romper. You guys saw earlier, I tried out the EOS shaving cream. It's really different. It's not a foaming formula, it's like a lotiony, which honestly, if I don't have shaving cream, I usually use like a conditioner or something. So it's kind of the same consistency, but I feel like you do gotta pump it a few times to get all covered, you know, in the areas you need to shave. It says you can shave with it dry too, so that's interesting, but I like it. You know, need to pack that, and razors and soap, but my mom packs some of that stuff too for us, so like we don't have to worry about it. But you know, some makeup and oh my gosh, some jewelry. I always pack jewelry though, and I don't really wear it. But you know, like a brush, my toothbrush, spray, deodorant, all that good stuff. Try to maybe write this down and try to get it out of my head. That's why I'm talking to you guys. But yeah, we're gonna get it. We're gonna start trying to get things organized here. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so it is the next morning. I kind of just gave up on packing last night because I was just kind of tired and getting overwhelmed. And I was just like, girl, I can't. Like, I can't make decisions right now. I need to go to sleep. So that's what I did. So today I am trying to get going, okay? Because we have to leave at 2 today and it's like, I don't know, probably 10. So I have a lot of stuff to do and I need to like water my plants and do stuff like that before we leave. But the biggest thing right now is packing. I'm always last minute. Anyone else? Because it truly gets my nerves. There was some things last night that I did get rid of. I'm like, I don't need 2 cover-ups. I tried on an outfit, I didn't like it, so I got rid of one. I got rid of a bathing suit, so I'm doing better, but you know, I'm still struggling a little bit. There's still a lot of like t-shirts and stuff that I'm bringing that I feel like I don't really need. So what I do in the morning for like packing the things that you can't really pack until last minute, I go through my routine and then I start to pick out whatever I'm grabbing. So like I know that like I'm not gonna forget something. When I'm doing my makeup, if I need my mascara, I'll pull it out, use it, and then put it out in front of me. So right now I have all my makeup out in front of me that I used today. But same with like showering or like getting out and using moisturizer, I will put that out in front of me as well. So I'm going to start packing things up and get rid of some things in my suitcase because it needs to go. I'm trying so hard to be more minimalist, but for someone that is probably the opposite, it's really hard for me to like make decisions. The struggle is real. I'm so annoying. Honestly, I get on my nerves. Anyone else get on your own nerves? Like, I get on my nerves when I have to pack and do things and be productive and you know, it's just so annoying. I diddle daddle and I'll start doing something else. I'm like, oh, like that wasn't important. Like I'm bad at prioritizing sometimes. So I don't want to stress too much because it is vacation, but your girl's struggling. I did save a lot of room by rolling my clothes, and I never knew if like it actually worked or not, because I do it sometimes, but I really did. I fit all of my clothes on one side of this suitcase, and I have all of my like makeup and all that stuff on the other side. I do bring a lot of little bags because I don't like to shove everything in one bag. Like I have to have like my bathroom stuff, my makeup stuff, and like I have this filled with like chargers and stuff like that. Everything that I need like easy to grab, I'm gonna put in this bag. And then I am gonna bring a purse, which I'm switching over to my Steve Madden purse. For the most part, I am ready to go. I just need to go pack my snacks. I did good. I only brought like one extra outfit, and it's not even really extra. It's just if like we're going out or we're eating in that night. What really helps me out is sometimes when I'm picking outfits out, and I've always done this, I think of how great it would look in my head. And then but then I try it on and it's like, oh, this isn't as cute as I thought. I've been moving slow, I really have, but I'm almost done. I'm gonna go put my snacks into this tie-dye bag that I showed you guys last night. I love this bag. I got it at Marshall's. If I can find one like on Amazon, I've tried looking up. This is Madden Girl, so maybe I can look on Madden Girl website, but Amazon's were kind of expensive. I mean, this was like probably close to 40 bucks. It was like 36. But Amazon was expensive. Like there was some expensive tie-dye bags on there. So I'll link some in the description though. I feel like this bag is just huge and it's filled with snacks. I'm bringing in my plants right now because of course when we're gone, it's supposed to be like 80 degrees, super nice today. Like I'm so mad that I'm not laying by the pool right now. But, and it's supposed to rain when we're at the beach. So, whatever, but it's gonna be a good time anyways. But I'm gonna bring in my plants just because it will be really hot and I don't want them to get scorched. Well guys, I'm pretty much good to go. All my stuff's packed. I'm waiting on some things to upload for me to put my computer in there. But everything is pretty good, I think. I think I have everything. I need to like put a couple more things away. I need to pack my charger. I did pretty good this year. I've done way worse in the past, packing so many outfits, not wearing them. I even used to pack like all of my makeup, and I tried to get it all in this one thing. I did pack like one extra palette, but I need like a bigger makeup bag for sure, like a traveling one. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of different. It's not the best, you know, most fun thing. Literally the worst part about all this is like Kirby knows that we're leaving. Like he just knows, and I hate leaving him. I hate just leaving him. It makes me so sad. Even though he kept me up all last night because he was barking. He looks so cute. Breaks my heart. I do have my bed made, so at least that's taken care of. But yeah, this mess of clothes right here, because I'm decluttering my closet, it's been a process because I can't make decisions very well, but you know, slowly but surely we're getting there. I'm almost there, and I feel like as time goes on, I'm like, yeah, I don't need that. So I'm getting better at it, I promise. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.